You can follow the mainstream hip-hop if you want to. That means you following Lucifer in this day and time. The new day is here, 2013, the vertical sun rays in the spring and summer equinox. Watch the Great Plains region, Colorado, Oregon, California, I'm telling you. Death to that old mainstream Lucifer hip-hop, King Jesus. King Jesus is back. I'ma burn the devil, cause y'all not rebels. I'm the true spiritual rebel, springing up from the mental grave. See, y'all can't see me. My cave run deep, that means mine. Come on, y'all, hip-hop, I grind for the new world, for the new day. Yeah, I'm from the south, I don't play North Cackalack, that's what I represent. See, King Jesus not dense. I'm coming to you, the spiritual prince, and this new day, the sun time, yay. Oh, for hip-hop is back, yo. King Jesus in effect like this. I know I go flow any kind of way. Look at North Pole, why is it melting? Why the polar bears becoming instinct, y'all? Y'all ask yourself that. I come correct and let you know we in the age of sun, yo. That means the vertical sun rays is melting the North Pole. The rays, the polar bears can't survive in warmer climates. Come on, y'all, I'm dynamic in the mind. King Jesus equipped with the rhyme. That's how I do it. Hip hop, I do it non-stop. Ready rock. That's me. Hip hop degree. No wannabe teacher in my own mind. See, yeah, mental fine, no pen and pad, I don't do that. Told you, I come correct. King Jesus, ask me a question or something. Why Sandy Kane, King Jesus? Cause Mother Nature's rumbling, waving the wand. Babylon has to fall. In this new day, y'all, the age of the sun. King Jesus the one to bring that real hip hop science. I don't stop. See, King Jesus rock every day, all day. See, I don't play. Hip hop the way. Told you, King Jesus.